Hey, what's up guy? Here's Leo. I'm back with this small tutorial to show you how to update the latest version of GB WhatsApp. I mean the version 17. So yeah, if you have the old version 16.5, here's the time for you to switch back to the latest version which come up earlier this month. So I'm providing you with tooling to download the latest version. Here, I have tooling. I have the link on the website and another from File. Go, just click on the first link to download it. Before you download this, just make sure that you are using the version 16.5, or whether if you don't use this version, this one will not work with it. So make sure. Yeah, I'm here on the website. You can see here, download WhatsApp. You have to link the mirror link on direct link. You just have to click here, like the first direct download. If for some reason it doesn't work, just click on mirror. Yeah, here you have it. It just direct you to the major file download link here. Yeah, you can see here download. You just can click OK to start the download. It was the first method. Now I've sent you another direct link to major file. You just have to click to this link. I'm gonna post the link in the video description, so don't worry, you'll have them. Here I have the file on the external major file page. You can see here, but unfortunately I'll just have to rename it to GB WhatsApp. But this is the file 3.313. This is the file. You just have to click download. Now the thing is downloading. You can see here on Chrome is downloading. Just have to wait a little bit and install our file. For those of you who doesn't know, GB WhatsApp is a very cool application. It's a modern version of WhatsApp with a cool feature like unlimited chat, unlimited theme, maximum. You have many features. So if you want to give it a try, I will just post small tweaks about GB WhatsApp, and then you'll find out if it's enough attractive for you to test it or not. So today's video is just about upgrading it. Our download is going. I know the file is a bit heavier, but it's worth it. So don't hesitate to download and try it. Now it's done. Just open over it. That's not going. Okay, just open. Go to the download. You have to download on the other link. Here, click prepare download. Continue. Oh, this link is not working. Go back here on the first website and open. So here you have to click on, click here. Okay, click on mirror download. Cause the first is working a little bit, just click here and download. Remember to download the version 17 only if the one that you're using right now is 16.5. If not the case, it may not work. It will refuse to install. You will be needed to uninstall the first one before installing this one, and that may possibly cause you to lose your data and backups if you don't really know how to do the process. It's almost done. It's done. Open, install. Now it's installed. Just click open. Now you can set up with your phone number, but you can just install it on to update the version 16.5, and you will just directly open on your messages page or group conversation. Thank you for the video, for watching it. Share it, like it, and see you on the next one, and show you how to download the latest version of FM of WhatsApp.